Oh my god. Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today's tutorial is a witch's cauldron bath bomb. These bath bombs are really fun, unique, and entertaining. Plus, they make the cutest Halloween favors. I'll show you the perfect way to package them at the end. After stirring ingredients together, mix well with hands. I added a bit of mica and glitter so the green foam sparkles when it gushes out the center. Make the same recipe for the exterior except add a tablespoon of SLSA. I also added a bit of charcoal powder. Add dark mix and pack it to make a thin exterior shell. The top rim is fragile and is also prone to breaking, so pack this area thoroughly. Add and pack mix until the entire surface is covered. Then add interior mix and pack it. Again, paying special attention to the top rim. After, place loose mix on top. Repeat steps for other side. Once both sides are full, smoosh them together tightly, making sure both sides touch all the way around. Then tap both sides to release the bomb. Dry the bath bomb for 24 hours. If you're having trouble with the two sides staying together, make half bombs. Pack it well and make the bottom flat. Then you can shrink wrap the sides together overnight or glue them together with a soap and oil mixture the next day. To paint them, add alcohol and black mica to a cup. I definitely recommend painting the exterior instead of coloring the entire batch of mix. Less color is used for the project this way, and therefore less black color is dispersed in the water. For the bubbles, I molded mini bath bombs with the same recipe. And dyed coarse sea salt and bath pearls. To make the glue, melt together 30 grams of oil or butter and 5 grams of beeswax. Coloring the glue is optional. I added it so the glue would blend more. It's always a good idea to do a dry run of where you want the bubbles first. I'm using salt as a decoration and to cradle a bubble so that it sits a bit higher. Once satisfied, it's time to glue them together. Anchor the bubble bomb on top the pearls dipped in glue, or dip the entire bubble bomb in glue. After, heat up the glue so that it spreads and dries, effectively fusing everything it touches together. For extra sparkle, heat up the glue, then sprinkle a little bit of eco-friendly glitter on top. For an iconic touch to the witch's pot, package bombs with a mini wooden spoon. Or add the end of a popsicle stick. Or add a fire using rock salt. You could even dye them red. Place a shrink wrap bag on top, tuck the edges under, then heat the bag to shrink it. For decorative packaging, tie 2 pieces of tulle together in the middle, place the bomb in the center, then bring opposite sides up to the top and tie them. Then tie a ribbon around the top and even out the edges. These were really fun bath bombs. The black and green was unique and very entertaining. Looking at this now, I wish I would have added purple. I could have made the exterior mix purple and painted them black, or maybe added some in the center of the green. Either way, these make the cutest Halloween favors, especially in the decorative packaging. The water turns a dark green, and just in case you were wondering, cleanup is fairly easy. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. Check out the description for the recipe, helpful tips, and the supply list at the bottom.